Alright, I am back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a responsive GUI in JavaFX. So let's go to our NetBeans. And alright, I already created a new JavaFX project. So let's go to our scene builder. To make our GUI responsive, we will add a layout like border pane. Drag it in here. So for example, we will add a menu bar at the top like this one, and at the left side we'll add a VBox, another layout on the left, and we will add some buttons inside in the VBox. Button. Let's say we will add 3 buttons, and we'll change its size. Layout, max value, and we'll set the margin to 10. I mean 10. Alright, and we'll change the height to 300. So at the center, we'll try to put a pane here. Pane inside the center. This is the center, and we'll change the color, background color to brown or gray. Right. So I guess I'm done. Let's preview. Alright, this is how to make a responsive GUI in JavaFX. Let's try to run this in our NetBeans. So where's the responsive? Alright, let's change the minimum size of the stage. Set that minimum height to 400. Stage that's set. Minimum width to 600. Right, let's try to run to see how it looks. Oh no, I forgot to save this one. Let's save. Overwrite. Okay, let's try to run this again. Alright, responsive GUI in JavaFX. This is how you make a responsive GUI in JavaFX. This is the minimum height and width. And yeah, this is a full screen. That's it. I hope you have learned something new in this tutorial. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you in the next video.